हेलो। तो कैसे हैं आप सभी? चलिए, तो प्रीवियस वीडियो आपने देखा ही होगा। तो प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने क्वेश्चन डिस्कस किए हैं, दैट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल इन अपकमिंग एग्जाम। तो गो एंड वॉच दैट वीडियो। नाउ वी आर स्टार्ट टू मेक न्यू वीडियो एंड न्यू स्लाइड। तो मूव टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट न्यूक्लियोसोम solenoid model was proposed by Kornberg and Thomas 1974. Clear? Nucleosome solenoid model was proposed by Kornberg and Thomas 1974. So now we are moving to next question. Next question is that the chromosome which differ from normal chromosome in term of either morphology or function are referred as. Answer. What is the answer? Answer is that special chromosome. The chromosome which differ from normal chromosome in term of either morphology or function are referred as special chromosome. Clear? Next question. Lambrus chromosome were first observed by whom? Answer is B. Fleming, 1882 in oocytes or shark. Clear? Next question. Don't worry, we will repeat again these all question slide by slide. Okay. So next question is loops of Lambrus chromosome are involved in. Answer will be RNA synthesis. Clear? Next question. Next question is that Gantt chromosome were discovered by. This question is favorite of examiner. So first of all, Gantt chromosome were discovered whom? Answer will be E.G. Balbini, 1881 in Diphtherian salivary gland. Clear? Next question. Next question is that salivary gland chromosome, Gantt chromosome are also known as Gantt chromosome, also known as. Answer is that salivary gland chromosome or polytene chromosome. Okay, clear? Now we are going to repeat again all these questions. ठीक है, so repeat in speed. First question is nucleosome solenoid model was proposed whom? Kornberg and Thomas 1974. Clear? The next question is that the chromosome which differ from normal chromosomes in terms of either morphology or function are referred as. Answer is special chromosome. Clear? Next question. Lamb-Bruce chromosome were first observed by. Answer is W. Fleming, 1882 in oocytes of sharks. Clear? Next question. Loops of Lambrus chromosome are involved in. Answer is RNA synthesis. Next question. Gantt chromosome were discovered by E.G. Balbini, 1881 in Diphthera salivary gland. Clear? Next question is Gantt chromosome are also known as salivary gland chromosome or polytene chromosome. Clear? So now we are moving to next slide. So next slide, sorry, this is my mistake. I didn't apply animation, so don't worry. We are start. First question is that hoops of Gantt chromosome are the site of. Answer is active RNA synthesis. Clear? Next question. In many species, some chromosomes are found in addition to normal somatic chromosome. These extra chromosomes are called as accessory chromosome or B chromosome, supplementary chromosome. this is the term, or suppose that someone asking you extra chromosome. Extra chromosome means B chromosome, supplement supernumerary chromosome and accessory chromosome also called. ठीक है, clear? So now we are moving to next question. Next question is that a chromosome in which two arms are identical with each other in gene content and morphology. Answer will be isochromosomes. Clear? Next question. Next question is chromosome differing in morphology and number in male and female are called as. Answer is holosome, sex chromosome. Clear? Next question. Next question is that mitosis occur in somatic organ like root tip, stem tip, and leaf base, etc. Hence, it is also known as. Answer is that somatic cell division. Clear? So now repeat again all these questions. In speed, puff of Gantt chromosome are the site of active RNA synthesis, and in many species some chromosome. Next question is that in many species some chromosomes are found in addition to normal somatic chromosome. These extra chromosomes are called as. Answer is accessory chromosome or B chromosome or supernumerary chromosomes. Clear? Next question. Next question is that a chromosome in which two arms are identical with each other in gene content and morphology is called isochromosome. Clear? Next question is chromosome differing in morphology and number in male and female are called as holosome, sex chromosome. Clear? Next question is mitosis occur in somatic organ. Remember this thing. Mitosis occur in somatic chromosome and meiosis occur in reproductive cells या organ. Right? Clear? Mitosis occur in somatic organ like root tip, stem tip, leaf base. Clear? Hence, it is also known as somatic cell division. Clear? Mitosis is called somatic cell division. Meiosis is called reproductional cell division. Clear? So now we are moving to next slide. First question is that meiosis is also known as, I also told you, reductional division is called meiosis. Clear? Next question. Meiosis second is called as. Meiosis second is called as equational division. Clear? Next question. The chiasma terminalization occur during diplotin. Clear? Next question. The segregation of allele of a gene occur during. Answer is anaphase second. The segregation of alleles of gene occur during anaphase 2. Yeah, second. Clear? Next question. The chromosome orientation present during metaphase second of meiosis is called auto orientation. Clear? Next question. Next question is that the paired homologous chromosomes are joined by a protein containing framework known as. Answer is synaptonemal complex. Clear? So now before moving to next slide, repeat quickly these all questions so you are ready. First question is meiosis first is also known as reductional division. Second, meiosis second is called as equational division. The chiasma terminalization occur during. Answer is diplotin. Chiasma terminalization occur during diplotin. Clear? Next, the segregation of allele of a gene occurs during anaphase second. Next question is the chromosomal orientation present during metaphase second of meiosis is called orientation. Next question, the paired homologous chromosome are joined by a protein containing framework known as, answer is synaptonemal complex. Clear? So now we are moving to next slide. Next slide, and first question is that stage uh, first question is that stage of meiosis characterized by pairing of homologous chromosome synapses. What is the answer? So answer is that zygotine or zygonema. Clear? Now we are moving to next slide. Next question, exchange of segment between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes known as, answer is crossing over. Clear? Next question, the centromere of the bivalent are arranged on either side of the equational plate, and this type of orientation is called, answer is co-orientation. Clear? Next question, the division of cytoplasm takes place by cell plate method in plant and in animal. Why? Answer is Foro method. Clear? Next question. Next question is that auto about 0.3% of the DNA is not replicated during S phase and it occurs during. Answer is zygotine. Clear? Next. Oh. So before moving to next slide, again repeat all these questions. First question is that stage of meiosis characterized by pairing of homologous chromosome is called zygotine or eunema. Next question is that exchange of segment between non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome known as crossing. Answer is crossing over. Answer is crossing over. Next question, the centromeres of the bivalent are arranged on either side of the equatorial plate, and this type of orientation is called co-orientation. Clear? Next question, the division of cytoplasm take place by cell plate method in plants and in animal. Why? Answer is Foro method. Next question, about 0.3% of the DNA is not replicated during S phase and it occurs during zygotine. Clear? Now we are moving to next slide. Next slide is first question is that cell division take place between two stages of, answer is G1 phase, G2 phase and G1 phase. Cell division take place between two stages. Answer is G2 and G1 phase. Next question is auto orientation of centromeres is present during. Answer is metaphase second. Clear? Next question. In eukaryotic cell division, the process of cytoplasmic division is called. Answer is cytokinesis. Clear? Next question. DNA replication occur in which phase of the cell cycle? Answer is interphase. Clear? Next question. DNA synthesis take place during. Answer is S phase of interphase. Next question. The maximum percentage of recombination between two genes will be. Answer is 50%. Clear? Next question. Crossing over occurs during pectin stage of prophase 1. This is the most important question. Crossing over occurs during Which stage? Prophase 1 pectin stage. Clear? To repeat all these questions again, a cell division take place between two stages of G2 phase, G2 and S, G1, G2 and G1. Auto orientation of next question. Auto orientation of centromere is present during. Answer is metaphase second. Next question. In eukaryotic cell division, the process of cytoplasmic division is called. Answer is cytokinesis. Clear? Next question. DNA replication occur in which phase of the cell cycle? Answer is interphase. Clear? Next question. The DNA synthesis take place during S phase. Answer is S phase of interphase. Clear? Next question. The maximum percentage of recombination between two genes will be. Answer is 50%. Next question. Crossing over occur during pectin stage of prophase 1. Clear? Next question. Next slide. Next slide is first question is crossing over take place between pectin crossing over take place between non-sister chromatid of homologous crossing over. Clear? Next question. The chromosome theory of inheritance was proposed by. Answer is Sutton and Boveri. Clear? Next question. This tendency of genes to remain together in their original recombination during inheritance is called. Answer is linkage. Clear? Next question. The phenomenon of linkage was first reported by. Answer is Watson and Punnett in 1906. Clear? Next question. Next question is that the plant with the character combination as in the original parents are known as. Answer is parental forms or parental combination. Next question is a plant possessing one character from one parent and another character from second parent are also known as. Answer is recombinant type of recombination or new recombination or crossover. Clear? Now repeat all these questions again. First question is crossing over take place between non-sister chromatid. Answer is non-sister chromatid of homologous chromosome. Next is the chromosomal theory. Next question is the chromosomal theory of inheritance was proposed by. Answer is Sutton and Boveri. Next question is this tendency of genes to remain together in their original combination during inheritance is called. Answer is linkage. This is most frequently asked question in exam. This tendency of gene of remain together in their original combination during inheritance is called. Clear? Linkage. Next question is that the phenomenon of linkage was first reported by Watson and Punnett in 1906. Clear? Next question. The plant with the character combination as in the original parent are also known as parental form. Answer is parental form or parental combination. Clear? Next question. Plant possessing one character from one parent and another character from the second parents are known as. Answer is recombinant type or recombinations or new recombinants or crossover. Clear? Next question. Next question is that the theory of linkage was put forth by. Answer is C.H. Morgan, 1910. Okay, 1910. 1910. Okay, clear. Next question is that when when there is complete absence of recombinant type can be due to absence of. Answer is that crossing over. Crossing over. What is crossing over? When there is complete absence of recombinant uh, type can be due to absence of. Answer is crossing over. Clear. Next question. If some frequency of crossing over also occur during the linkage gene, it is known as. Answer is incomplete or partial linkage. Clear. Next question. Next question. If all dominant allele are present on the same chromosome or all recessive alleles are present on same chromosome, they are said to be in. Answer is coupling phase. Clear. Next question. If dominant allele of some gene are linked with recessive allele of other gene on some chromosome, they are said to be in. Answer is repulsion phase. Clear. Next question. Oh, sorry. Again, repeat all these questions. Uh, first question is first question is that the theory of linkage was put forth. Linkage is theory was put forth by T.H. Morgan. Answer. ठीक है. Next question. When there is complete absence of recombinant type can be due to absence of. Answer is crossing over. Next question. If some frequency of crossing over also occur between the linkage gene, it is also known as partial linkage or incomplete. Clear. Next question. If all dominant allele are present on the same chromosome or all recessive allele present on the same chromosome, they are said to be in coupling phase. Answer is coupling phase. Next question. If dominant allele of some gene are linked with recessive allele of other gene of on same chromosome, repeat this question again. Okay. First question. This question is if dominant alleles of some genes are linked with recessive alleles of other genes on same chromosome, they are said to be repulsion phase. Clear. Next question. The condition where higher frequency of parental type than recombinant in test cross in the presence of. Answer is linkage. Again, wait. Next question. When two genes are linked, the segregation ratio of dihybrid test cross progeny divides significantly from the ratio. Answer is 1:1:1:1. Next question. Linkage can be determined from. Answer is test cross progeny data. Next question. If crossing over does not occur, all genes located on the one chromosome are expected to be inherited together. Thus, the maximum number of linkage groups possible in an organism is equal to the. Answer is haploid chromosome number. Example: onion 2n 16 and 8 maximum linkage group possible 8. Clear. Maize 2n 20 n equal to 10 maximum linkage group or groups possible 10. Clear. So now we are moving to next. First of all, we have to repeat these all question. So first question. The condition where higher frequency of parental type than recombinants in test cross in the presence of linkage. Answer is linkage. Next question. When two genes are linked, the segregation ratio of dihybrid test cross progeny deviates significantly from the ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 1 ratio 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Linkage can be determined. Answer, next question is linkage can be determinate from. Answer is test cross progeny data. Clear. Next question. If crossing over does not occur, all genes located on the chromosome are expected to be inherited together. Thus, the maximum number of linkage groups possible in an organism is equal to the answer is haploid chromosome number. Means onion example I have discussed already. Onion 2 and 16 n equal to 8, maximum linkage group possible 8. Same in maize 2n equal to 20 n equal to 10, maximum linkage group possible 10. Clear? So now we are moving to next slide. First question is that control of 2 or more characters by a single gene is referred as. Answer is pleiotropy. Next question. Frequency of crossing over is calculated using the formula. Answer is frequency of crossing over equal to number of recombinant progeny from a test cross upon total number of progeny into 100. That's very easy. Next question. The first cytological evidence in support genetic crossing over on the basis of his experiment with Drosophila was proposed by. Answer is Kurt Stern in 1931. Next question. Formula for coefficient of coincidence is. Answer is coefficient of coincidence equal to observed frequency of double crossover upon expected frequency of double crossover. Clear? Next question. Okay. So before moving to next slide, we should repeat all question in speed. So next question, control of 2 or more character by single gene is referred as pleiotropy. Next question, frequency of crossing over is calculated using the formula. Answer is frequency of crossing over equal to number of recombinant progeny from a test cross upon total number of progeny into 100. Next question, the first cytological evidence in support of genetic crossing over on the basis of experiment with Drosophila was provided by Kurt Stern in 1931. Next question, formula of coefficient of coincidence is. Coefficient of coincidence observed frequency of double crossover upon expected frequency of double crossover. Now we are moving to next slide. First question is that the ratio between the observed and the expected frequency of double crossover is called coefficient of coincidence. Clear? Next question, the term interference was coined by Muller. Next question, the tendency of one crossing over to prevent another crossing over from occurring in its vicinity is called. Answer is positive interference. Next question, if one crossing over enhances the chance of another crossing over in the adjacent region, this is termed as. Answer is negative interference. Clear? Next question, formula for coefficient of inheritance is. Answer is coefficient of inheritance equal to 1 minus coefficient of coincidence. Clear? So now before moving to next slide, repeat all these questions. The first question is that the ratio between the observed and the expected frequency of double crossover is called coefficient. Answer is coefficient of coincidence. Next question. The term interference was coined by. Answer is Muller. Next question. The tendency of one crossing over to prevent another crossing over from occurring in its vicinity is called. Answer is positive inheritance. Interference. Positive interference. Next question. If one crossing over enhances the chance of another crossing over in the adjacent region, this is termed as. Next answer is negative interference. Next question. Formula for coefficient of inheritance is. Answer is coefficient of inheritance equal to 1 minus coefficient of coincidence. Next question. The frequency of crossing over can never exceed. Answer is 50%. Next question. The map showing the actual physical location of gene is in a chromosome is called. Answer is cytological map. Clear? Next question. A line on which the relative position of gene proportional to the amount of crossing over between them in represented is called. Answer is linkage map, crossover map, or genetical map. Clear? Next question. The distance in a chromosome which permits 1% recombination crossing over between two linkage genes is called a. Answer is map unit centimorgan. Next question. So before moving to next slide, read all these questions. The frequency of crossing over can never exceed 3%. The map showing the actual physical location of one in a chromosome is called cytological map. Next question. The line which the relative position of gene proportional to the amount of crossing over between the is expected is called linkage map. Crossover may be genetically mapped. Next question. The distance in a chromosome which permit 1% recombination crossing over between two linkage gene is called as map unit centimorgan. Clear? Next slide. First question. Mendel presented his findings before the Natural History Society of Bern in 1865 as a paper entitled. Answer is experiment in plant hybridization. Okay, clear? Next question. In 90, Mendel law were rediscovered by Hugo de Vries, E.V. T.S. Mark and Correns. Clear? Next question. Mendel's original paper was published in 1901 in the Journal of Flora. Next question. Father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel. Next question. The father of genetics was born on July 20, 1822. Next question. Before moving to next question. First question is that Mendel presents his finding before the Natural History Society of Bern in 1865 as paper entitled Experimental in Plant Hybridization. Experiments in Plant Hybridization. Next question. In 90, Mendel law were rediscovered by Hugo de Vries, E.V. T.S. Mark and Correns. Next question. Mendel original paper was published in 1901 in the Journal of Answer is Flora. flora. Next question, the father of genetics is Gregor John Mendel. Next question, the father of genetics was born on July 20, 1822. Next question, the term genetic was coined of the first time by Weston. Next question, the law of segregation is also called as the law of purity or gametes. An exceptional of to Mendel's law in independent assortment is answer is linkage. Next question, linkage was first reported in sweet pea in 1906 by Watson and Punnett. Next question, gene which affect more than one trait is called as answer is pleiotropic genes. Next question, man-made oligopolyploidy cereals is answer is triticale. Repeat all these questions again. The term genetic was coined by the first time by whom? Answer is Watson. Next question, the law of segregation is also known as the law of answer is the law of purity of gametes. Next question, an exceptional to Mendel's law of independent or assortment is called linkage. Next question is linkage was first reported in sweet pea in 1906 by Watson and Punnett. Next question, gene which affect more than one traits is called as pleiotropic gene. Next question, man-made oligopolyploidy cereals is called triticales. Clear? Next, we are moving to next slide. So first question is that linkage between the dominant allele of the one gene with the recessive allele of another gene of the same chromosome is referred as answer is repulsion phase. Okay, clear? Next question. Next question is that a cross between a F1 hybrid and either of its parents is called as answer is back cross. Clear? Next question. Next question, a plant processing the genotype capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, capital D will produce that number of different type of gamete upon selfing. Answer is 4. Clear? Next question. Paramountation and polyploidy are exceptional to the law of segregation. Clear? Next question. Linkage is an exception to law of independent assortment. Clear? So repeat all these questions again. Linkage between the dominant and one gene with the recessive allele of another gene of the same chromosome is referred as repulsion phase. A cross between a F1 hybrid and either of its parents is called backcross. A plant processing the genotype capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, capital B, capital D will produce that number of different type of gamete upon selfing. Answer is 4. Next question, paramount and pleiotropy are exceptional to the law of segregation. Next question, linkage is an exception of the law of independent assortment. Clear? So guys, thank you for watching. I hope this question you understand, you got it very well. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.